I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python for coding. First, you'll want to set up your development environment. This typically involves installing the latest stable version of Python, which is currently 3.12, and choosing a reliable code editor such as Visual Studio Code. These initial steps are crucial for a smooth learning journey, providing you with the necessary tools to write and execute your first lines of code. Don't worry, it's a straightforward process. Next, focus on mastering Python's core concepts. Dive into control flow, understanding how if-else statements for loops, and while loops direct program execution. Functions are essential for organizing your code into reusable blocks. Also, get comfortable with fundamental data structures like lists, dictionaries, and tuples, which are used in nearly every Python application. Consistent practice, perhaps 30 minutes daily, will reinforce your understanding. Once you have a solid foundation, it's time to expand your skills. Delve into object-oriented programming, learning about classes, objects, inheritance, and polymorphism. This paradigm is fundamental for building larger, more complex applications. Start working on small, practical projects, perhaps a simple calculator or a text-based game, to apply your knowledge. Additionally, explore powerful libraries like NumPy for numerical computing or Flask for web development, opening up new possibilities. Finally, continuous learning is key to becoming a proficient Python developer. Regularly read official documentation and explore Python enhancement proposals to understand language evolution. Engaging with the Python community, whether through online forums or local meetups, provides invaluable support and networking opportunities. Consider contributing to open-source projects to gain real-world experience. Dedicate at least 1 hour weekly to exploring new features and refining your skills.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.